What is Ohm's law and the V is equal to R formula? Imagine you're watering a garden and controlling the flow of water with a tap. The more you turn the tap, the more water flows. In electrical circuits, a similar idea applies with voltage, current, and resistance. Today, we're going to uncover a simple rule that helps us understand how electricity works in circuits. This rule is called Ohm's law. It was discovered by Georg Simon Ohm in the year 1827. He found that in many materials, the flow of electric current is directly related to the voltage applied across it and inversely related to the resistance of the material. Think of resistance as the obstacle that slows down the flow of electrons, much like a narrow pipe limits water flow. The core of Ohm's law is the formula V equals I times R here. V stands for voltage, which is the electric pressure measured in volts. I is the current, or how much electric charge flows through the circuit, measured in amperes or amps. R is the resistance, the opposition to current flow, measured in ohms. If you increase the voltage while keeping resistance the same, the current will go up. It's like turning up the water pressure, making more water flow through the pipe. If resistance increases but voltage stays the same, the current drops. That's like narrowing the pipe, reducing the flow. This formula is very handy for electrical engineers. It helps them figure out how much current will flow if they know the voltage and resistance. Or, they can find out what resistance they need to get a certain current. It's also used to calculate voltage drops across components, like resistors or wires, to ensure devices operate safely. Resistors are components designed to provide a specific resistance in a circuit. Materials like copper and aluminum are good conductors because they have low resistance, allowing electrons to flow easily. Resistance happens because electrons bump into atoms inside the material, which slows them down. The formula V equals I times R can be rearranged to find any of the three variables. For example, if you know the voltage and resistance, you can find the current by dividing voltage by resistance. Or, if you know the current and voltage, you can find the resistance by dividing voltage by current. Understanding Ohm's law is fundamental in electrical engineering. It helps us design circuits that work correctly and safely. Whether you're working on a simple light bulb or a complex electronic device, this law guides you in making the right choices for voltage, current, and resistance. It's a simple rule, but it forms the backbone of how we analyze and build electrical systems.